Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Just to recap a bit, we were doing Ism Tafdeel. We started with basically learning about the patterns. And when it's comparative, we use this pattern. And then to make it superlative, we put al. And then for the feminine, we have the feminine version of the word. Because the superlative version is number and gender sensitive. But when we do superlative last week, we only talk actually about the singular version. If you did not realize, it's all singular. Al-ayat al-kubra. As-sama'at dunya. It's all singular. Awhana. Okay? So, today we're going to do the plurals, basically. Very easy. So, it's like your normal Muslim chart, basically, right? So, from al-af'alu, al-af'alani, and then al-af'aluna. And then of course your nasab and jar is ina. For the dual is aini. And then here is normal lah, marfu bi dhamma, mansub bil fathah, majrur bil kasrah. Okay, but there is another jamak pattern. The jamak for masculine is also al-afa'il. Okay, so this is marfu bi dhamma. So al-afa'ilu, al-afa'ila, and al-afa'ili. Okay, that's the masculine. So how to remember? Fa'il, right? Plus a hamza at the front. Yes, okay, plus a hamza at the front. And then for the for the feminine, for the muannas version, so we started with kubra, right? Al-fu'la, obviously because of the alif ending, it's going to be the same for rafa, nasab, and jar. And then as you do for your nakis, basically, when you have ending with alif, so the plural version is al-fu'layani. Okay, so the alif here becomes ya, yani. So yaini, this is your dual version. And then your plural version is basically atun. So al-fu'layatu, al-fu'layati, al-fu'layati. Atun, atin. Yes? And again, the feminine, we have another pattern. So the pattern is fu'al, al-fu'al. Okay, so this one, I don't know, the only way to remember, I guess, is it's similar to this, except the fathah and the fathah is on the sukun here. And then obviously at the last part is marfu bi dhamma or mansub bil fathah or majrur bil kasrah. Okay? Yes.
So sister,
yes.
feminine singular will always be ending with the ya.
Alif. Yes.
Alif, yes.
Yes.
Alif
Always.
Yeah.
Yes. Either alif
Okay,
maksura or standing one. Like so, ad-dunya is standing alif because it's a waw root letter. Anyway, or maybe because there's a ya before it anyway. Yes.
So
Okay.
this is kubra pattern, right, sister? Like
yes.
al-kubra.
Correct. Correct. Al-kubra, al-husna, al-uzma. Yes. Okay. So,
yes.
Here. So here in this chart, I put it with al, right? But it can also be used as a mudaf. So that obviously when it becomes a mudaf, there's no al there. Okay. So for example, we can say hunna. This is obviously our jamak. So fudlayatu. Okay, and then this is a mudaf. It's light. It's a mudaf. And then at-talibati. Okay, so they are like the best of students, feminine students. Yeah, the female students. Okay, or for the whom version, of rather for the masculine version, whom afadilul tullab. Okay, so they are the best of students, masculine. Okay, can inshallah.
Okay.
That's basically it. So let's see here. We cannot do the Iraab for this part here. We haven't do shart yet, so we skip that. Ulaika is our mubtada, basically. And then lahumud darajatu, here this is basically our khabar, is another jumlah. So Brother
Yes.
Azizi,
Ya,
what is lahum here?
jar majrur, khabar muqaddam.
Yes, muta'alliq bil khabar muqaddam. Good. And then ad-darajatu,
Al-darajatu is the apa ni?
yes.
Khabar.
Uh-uh. This is a jumlah by itself. Lahumud darajatu is a jumlah by
Oh,
itself.
this one is mubtada muakhar.
Yes, exactly. Okay. And then al-ula,
Al-ula is the sifat of the ad-darajatu.
yes, exactly. Okay, this is the jamak version, the second pattern, not the atun pattern. Okay, so this one is atun. This is normal. So we can use this. This is basically jamak and jamak. Okay, can? Inshallah.
Sister,
Yes.
when you did فَأُولَٰئِكَ, didn't we say it's mubtada already? فَأُولَٰئِكَ?
Yes, this is mubtada. This whole
Uh-huh.
jumlah is the khabar for ulaika.
Yes,
And then
yes.
that's why this is like the another mubtada, because this is a jumlah on its own.
Okay.
Okay?
So inside the jumla. Yes. Okay.
Yes, correct.
In
Oh.
that case, then this will be mubtada muakhar, right, sister?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Exactly.
okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Can, inshallah?
Yes, sister.
Inshallah, we can do some i'rab. Sister Vinita, let's start with you.
Yes, sister.
وَكَذَلِكَ.
وَكَذَلِكَ واو is harf ataf.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Kaf, is this jar wa majroor, sister?
Yes, correct. So the
Jar wa
kaf here is half jar.
harf jar.
And what about the next word?
Zalika?
Yes.
Zalika is ism ishara.
Yes. Zalika is ism ishara.
Ishara.
And so must be.
Ba'id.
Sorry, say again.
Ism ishara ba'id.
Okay, so if you want to say the dha is ism ishara and then the
Okay.
lam is for bu'ud, yes, you can say that.
Ba'id,
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
But the
Okay.
ism ishara itself is fi mahali what?
So this is fi mahali jar.
Yes. Fi mahali jar, yes.
Yeah.
And the whole thing, jar majrur?
Jar majroor should be khabar, sister.
Muta'alliq to something?
Muta'alliq. Yeah.
This is the jumla ismiya or jumla fi'liya?
This is jumla ismiya.
Why jumla ismiya?
Because jar majroor, ism ishara.
Okay, no. When you have a half jar starting, don't see this ism. This ism is definitely the majur, right? So look at
Okay.
after that.
Okay, so then this is jumla failure.
Yeah, so
So
muta'alliq bil.
muta'alliq bil fail.
Yes,
Ja'alna.
exactly. Then you can use the word muqaddam. Okay?
Okay, sister. Yes.
Yes. Good. And then brother Azizi, ja'alna.
Ja'alna fi'al madi
Mm-hmm.
mabni ala sukun.
Yes.
Dan itisalihi
Yes.
bina al-fa'il.
Bina.
Fa'il.
Yes. Al-fa'il.
Bina al-fa'il.
Ilin is correct. Yes.
Fa'il.
Then the na itself.
Ya is dhamir muttasil mabni ala sukun fa'il.
Yes. Fi mahali.
Fi mani rafa.
Yes.
Fa'il.
Good. Next one, Sister Vinita. Fi kulli.
Yes. So fi is harf jar.
Mm-hmm. That will make
Kulli is
kulli.
majroor. Kulli is
Yes.
majroor.
Mm-hmm.
And kulli is mudaf.
Yes. What's the majrur sign first?
Okay. Okay. Ism majroor bil kasra.
Yes. And then that will make qaryatin.
Qaryatin will be mudaf ilayh.
Yes. What status?
في محل नहीं في محل جر
Why في محلي?
no مجرور no this
Yes.
مجرور مضاف إليه
مجرور.
مجرور بالكسرة
Yes. And the whole thing في كل قرية.
في كل قرية قرية should be another wait في كل قرية
I mean the whole thing is a شبه جملة. Yes.
yeah it's a شبه جملة yes so will it be متعلق
Yes. Correct. متعلق to what?
متعلق كذلك can it be متعلق to again جعلنا
Yes, it can. So متعلق
فعل yes
بالفعل.
جعلنا
Good. Next one, Brother Azizi. Akabira.
أكابر is فعل ماضي.
فعل ماضي. What's the root letters?
كبر
Okay, what family?
أكابر
What family is it? If you say it's a fi'il.
Oh, I think this one is
Not a fi'il, because if you say this is family 4, you cannot explain this alif, right? And if you say this is family 3, then it cannot explain this alif. Okay? Yes. So, yes, it's an ism. So what status is it?
mansub with fathah
Yes. So why is it mansub?
because ja'alna
So yes. So how is it related to ja'alna? What's the i'rab here?
maf'ul bihi.
Yes, correct. Maf'ul bihi, mansub bil fathah, you said. Good. Sister Vinita?
yes sister
Mujrimiha.
مجرميها is مجرميها this looks like مضاف إليه sister
Yes, but the mudaf itself has a status. What status is it?
yeah مجرمي okay yeah so this is مجرمي it can be nasab or jar
Yes.
so this is nasab
Why nasab?
no this is jar because this is mudaf ilayh.
Because this is what?
This is mudaf ilayh for akabira.
Yes, good. This is mudaf
Yeah.
ilayh. So it is majrur. What's the sign?
Majroor bil ya.
Yes. It's not our normal
Which is-
default sign. So we
yeah.
say
Yes. Binya bi niyam
no bi. Niyabatan.
niyabatan and al kasra.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. في محل جر
لأنه.
لأنه
What kind of word? Is this singular, dual, plural? ممنوع من الصرف?
dual.
Dual?
مجرمين. This is no this is jama.
Yes. What kind of jama'?
Jama muzakkar salim.
Yes. Good. And the ha?
Ha is mudaf ilayh.
Domir?
ضمير متصل
Mm-hmm.
في محل جر.
Yes. بالإضافة أو مضاف إليه. Good. Next one. Brother Azizi, liyamkuru.
Yamkuru li is li wal fan.
Okay, we have a lot of.
Li jazam.
Okay. Lam jazam, what is the translation?
So let
Yes, basically let, right? Like they should basically. Yes.
they should
But what about other li?
ta'lil.
Yes. That is li kai. So what's the translation there?
Okay. Okay, so that. So that.
Yes, correct. So that, exactly. Okay, so let's translate this and then you see how you translate this lam. Can you translate from wakadhalik?
So thus we made in every nation.
In not nation,
Akabira
town or village. Yes. Mm-hmm.
biggest akabira biggest
The biggest what?
mujrimi. I don't know mujrimi is what? Jaroma mujrimi.
Mujrimun is criminal.
Criminal. It's
Uh-huh.
criminal.
Yes. So
It's criminal.
the biggest of its criminal. What is the ha going back to?
Going back to Qaryatin.
Very good. Yes, exactly. So here liyam kuru.
Yamkuru fiha so that.
Yeah. So you translate as so that, not they should, right? So that what?
Yamkuru makaro
Mm-hmm.
makaro they planning something.
Yes. The scheme
The scheme
fiha.
to it
Yes. Again, the it is referring to.
to Qaryatin.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So this lam, you say it's so that. So this must be lam ta'lil. Yes. Lam ta'lil is also half of jar, actually. Right? So we say half jar, lil, ta'lil. Okay. And then what is making yamkuru? Is this nasab or jazam?
This one, I believe nasab.
Yes. So fi'il mudhari.
Mudhari.
Mm-hmm. Mansub.
Mansub bil
Yeah.
hazaf nun.
Yes, bihazaf nun. But what is making it hazaf nun just now you said?
Di anta.
Yes.
Lam ta'lil. Jazam bil mansub
Mansub.
bi
Mm-hmm.
lam ta'lil.
No. Just now you say an, right?
An.
What is this an called? The an that's not there.
An matmaro.
Mutmarah, yes.
Mutmaro.
Okay.
Mutmaro means what is this? Mutmaro.
Hidden.
Oh, hidden.
Hidden.
Unhidden. Okay.
Yes, the hidden an. Okay. Maybe we change this to alamatu nasbihi hazaf nun. Okay. And then what's our fa'il?
Fa'il is domer muttasil.
What is the domir?
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, domer muttasil.
And fi mahali?
Fi mali rafa fa'il.
Yes. And finish this. Fiha.
Fiha jawa majrur.
Mm-hmm.
Majrur bil jawa majrur.
Muta'alliq bil?
Muta'alliq bil fi'il
Which fi'il?
yamkuru.
Yes, exactly. Yamkuru. Oops. Then we said, just now we said there's an mutmarah. What does an do? Other than make it nasab, what else does it do?
Masdar muawwal.
Very good. So we say
Wa jumlah.
an, wama.
Wama.
Mm-hmm.
This one I got says
Ba'daha or talaha. Yes.
Wama talaha.
Yes, is, you said, masdar.
Masdar muawwal.
Yes. So what status is it?
Mansub bil fathah.
An plus yamkuru fiha is an ism. It comes after half of jar. So the ism must be what status?
Majrur bil kasrah.
Just fi mahali jar. This is a jumlah, right?
Because jumlah. Okay.
Yes, fi mahali jar because it's a majrur basically. Yes. And then li yamkuru here, this is half of jar. So the whole thing must be muta'alliq to something. What is it muta'alliq to?
متعلق to khabar or fi'il, I don't know which one.
Which one?
Yeah.
Do we have a jumlah fi'liyah or jumlah ismiyah?
Use jumlah fi'liyah.
Yeah, so must be muta'alliq bil fi'il. This fi'il, ja'alna. Why did Allah do
fi'il
this?
ja'alna.
Basically, yeah, so that they do this. Okay? Can?
Okay.
So we
Right.
say this shibul jumlah. Shibul jumlah, which is this, is muta'alliq bil fi'il ja'alna. Can? Inshallah. Sister,
Sister?
yes?
So, sister, like in this ayah, we saw that there were three mutaliks and they were mutalik to one field.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
As
so
long
that's
as it
possible.
makes sense, yes, it's possible. Okay? As long as it makes sense, it's possible. Because you can say like, I came from here to here, right? From is
Mhm.
jar, to also jar.
Yes.
Yes, so
Yes.
it's okay.
And I came from here to here for this also
Yes,
Jariya.
exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
correct.
Okay. Yes, next one, you, sister.
Okay, sister. So we take this fa as Atifa, sister?
Yes, because we don't know the context.
Okay. Fala. So this is lam nahi, sister?
How do you know this is nahi?
Because tahino is like majzoom.
So fi'il.
Fail mudare,
Mm-hmm.
majzoom,
Majzoom. Mm-hmm.
with because the noon is hasaf.
Yes. Yeah.
We hasfin noon,
Yes. What's the fa'il?
and file is antum.
So what do we say?
Wa
Well,
al-wawu,
Mm-hmm.
al-wawu, al-wawu,
Amir.
zamir muttasil,
Mm-hmm.
fi mahalli rafa,
Yes. Fa'il.
fa'il,
Good.
fa'il,
Brother Zizi. Watada'u.
وتدعو وتدعو
Yes.
وأتفة تدعو
If this is waw atifah, are we saying that tada'u is maktuf?
معطوف to لا تهينوا.
Yes. Maktuf ala
لا تهينوا.
just tahinu. Okay, because this is majzum, this is also majzum. Yes?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Ma'tuf. Where is it?
sister?
Yes.
Sister, I just wanted to know, like, for example, this tahinu has antum as a file, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And if there is any other, like after this, if there is something like instead of tada'u, if it is like tad'u, like just for singular, you know, so will it still be matuf?
I don't know. We have to see the context in that case, I guess.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. What good question. This one also, Brother Zizi. Ila Salmi.
إلى السلم جاء مجرور متعلق to فعل تدعو
Yes. Jar majrur bil.
مجرور بالكسرة
Good. Muta'alliq bil fi'il. Tada'u, you said. Good. Next one, Sister Vinita. Wa antum.
Yes. Wa antum, waw is atifa.
There's a better wow here. Can you translate and see how you
Okay.
translate that?
Okay. Okay, sister. Okay.
Mhm.
Fala. So do not.
Mm-hmm.
Tahinu is do not be
What's the weak letter? What's the root letter?
haun. Hawanun.
Okay. Okay, let us do that. What family is
Is it?
this? What family is this?
Tahinu is starting with ta.
This is your
Is it
mudhari letter, yes?
Ah,
So you don't count that?
yeah, so family one, yeah?
Yes, must be family 1. Okay. You know there's a ha, there's a noon, yes?
Uh-huh.
There must be a letter that you cannot see here. Yes?
Yes.
So basically,
Yeah.
what are the possibility? Wow, Ha
Oh,
nun,
wow,
ha
nun, yeah. Or
waw nun,
nun, yeah.
or
Or Hamza. Hamza?
ha nun waw.
Ha nun, wow. Okay.
Yes. And this waw, basically I put waw, but it could be ya, possibly Hamza.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's take it as a weak letter because we know it's hazaf. Most likely
Yes.
Hamza might not get hazaf, but other things happen to it. So we take waw or ya. Okay. And you know this is family 1. So if it's family 1, for waw ha nun, what is the madi?
Vahana.
Yes. Wahana. And the mutare?
Yuhinu.
Family 1.
Vahana, which one is the sister? Nasraf? Yahun.
Sorry, hold on. It's Doroba.
Daraba. So Vahana Yahinu.
The waw comes first.
Yuhinu. Wahinu.
Say again.
Vahana Yuhinu.
No. Okay,
I'm
the
not
waw
sure.
comes first, right? So if it was normal, it was yauhinu.
Yauhinu, yeah.
But waw usually gets deleted.
Yuhinu. Oh.
Yeah, yahinu. And you can
So
confirm
that
that
means
here.
okay. So that means Vahan. Okay.
Yes, so wahana, wahina also have madi. There's also wahuna, but the mutarid will be yauhunu. So the waw here don't get deleted. Okay?
Okay.
So, but
Okay. So
usually waw do get deleted. Okay? So it looks like we found it already, right?
yeah, we found
This
it.
is it. Yes, but let's double confirm the rest. If ha, waw, nun will be our madi.
Yeah. So Hauna Yuhinu.
What happened to how? We don't say hauna.
Havana.
We also don't say hawana. This is ajwaf. Think about.
Hana.
Yes,
Hana.
exactly.
Hana.
Hana.
Yeah.
And then
Yuhinu.
this is family 1. Should not start with dhamma.
Yahinu.
So think about what? Qala.
Qala yaqulu.
Yes. So hana,
Hana.
ya,
Yahinu.
yahunu if it was wow. But if it was
Ah.
ya, then yes, yahinu. Right?
Okay.
So I think the root letter, if it was here, it would be ya. Okay. So it would have been yahinu.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sister.
here the ya would not have been deleted.
Deleted. Yes.
Unless it's majzum, right? Then what happens to it?
Then
Mm-hmm.
in that case, I think ya will be so ya will be deleted in that case, right, sister?
Yes, but this only happens for anta, right? It would not happen
Yeah.
for antum. Antum would have been normal, right? So from
Yes.
yahinu, you get yahinuna, and then you delete the nun. Yes.
Yeah,
So
no.
you still see the ya here. Okay. And what
Yes,
about
sister.
nakis?
Yes, I really need to work on my Irenaki, sister.
Think about dal ain waw. Da'a yad'u.
Da'a yada'u.
So
Hana. Hana.
yes.
Yahnu.
Yahnu. Yad'u.
Yahnu.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Here also the waw would have been deleted from here, but I mean the nu ending would be the same, but ha would not have a kasrah. Here we have tahinu. Okay, so it cannot be nakis, it cannot be joaf, it must be misal here, this one. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So
Yes.
so then it will be then do not be frail or weak.
Yes. Do not be weakened.
And
this is maktuf, so also do not.
yes, do not tada'u to invoke.
Yes. Or call.
Do not okay, call.
Call to what?
towards like peace.
Yes. And then,
Towards peace.
wa antum?
So it will be halia, yeah?
Yes, while you translate it as.
While.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
okay.
So, what's the wow here? Yeah.
Wow is wow halia.
And what do we say after that?
So this is a zamir munfasil.
Before that, wa jumla?
وجملة بعدها
في mahali?
في محل نصب.
Because
this is hal.
yes, exactly. Right, when we say wow is halia, we're not saying the wow is the hal. Yes, just saying that the whole sentence after is the hal. Good. And then antum?
Antum is zamir munfasil.
And
this is mubtada.
Yes, so mun في محل
مبتدا في محل رفع.
Tada. Good. Finish this. Al-a'lawna.
Al-a'lawna will be khabar.
Yes. What's the status?
Status will be again rafa, marfu.
What's the sign?
Waw nun.
Waw nun.
Yeah, because for ism it is like for jama ism it is
yes
una, right?
Yes, but in Iraab, what do you say? You don't say wow and nun. You say the
Okay,
wow or nun.
No, it's just wow. Sorry.
Yes,
Wow.
Bil wow. And then
Bil wow, yeah.
This is not your normal sign?
Yeah, so this is niyabatin anil dhamma.
Yes, because
this is
Kind of
jama salim.
Yes.
Jama salim.
Muzakkar or yes, correct.
Yeah. Sometimes I just still go back to una, ina, you know.
Well, that's the way I think also. Although in Iraab, I don't think of it that way anymore. But to recognize it, yes, that's the way we've been taught. Like that's our foundation, right? So yeah,
yes,
it's gonna be like that. So what's the translation here? While you are what?
Yeah, while you are.
What's the root letters here? What kind of word is this?
This is Ain Lam. No. This is again something Nake sister, right? Hamza. While you are. Into my mind sister.
What's the root letters?
Ain.
Yes.
There is also Hamza.
Okay, so this Hamza is not. If you take out the una, what's the singular of this word?
Ala. Ala?
Ala?
Is it ala?
Or a'la?
Ala?
Yes. A'la. So what kind of word is this?
This is this comparative? Superlative?
Yes, this is the
Tafdeel?
ism tafdeel, exactly.
Tafdeel.
Yes, correct. So when you make it plural,
okay.
or dual rather, let's do dual first.
Alani?
Yani.
Yeah. Yes.
Yani.
Yes.
And then plural?
Alayani. Alayuna.
No. So here we delete the ya, and then it remains launa.
Launa. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, you don't see the ya anymore. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So this is your superlative basically.
Okay.
Yes.
So while you are like ala, like you're like super, like
yes,
you're
superior.
like on the top.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
While you are the superiors, basically.
Superiors. Okay.
Okay, can while you're at the top. When you have power, basically, then don't do this. Okay, can? Inshallah.
Yes.
Obviously, this is with context. Yes. Brother Azizi, qalu.
قالوا فعل ماضي ناقص.
Nakis?
Yeah.
Is it nakis?
Yeah.
You mean like kana?
Like yeah.
No. This is not nakis. What does qalu means?
Qalu, they said.
Exactly. So it's not nakis, just fi'il madi. So what do we say?
Fi'il madi mabni ala sukun.
Right, ala sukun.
Yeah,
The last letter of the word is the lam,
okay.
right? This you said is whom, they said, right? This is the only one that is mabni ala dom.
Rafa. Wala dom.
Yes. And then what do we say?
Ala dom wal
Liti.
itisalihi
Aha.
wal jama'ah.
Bi wow. Al jama'ah. Yes.
Wal jama'ah.
And then the wow itself. Hello?
Mabni ala sukun.
Domir.
Ya.
Cannot. Sorry. Domir. Mutasil. Oh. Fi mahali.
Tasil. Mabni ala fi mahali.
Yes.
Ya.
Fi mahali.
Fa.
Yes.
Rafa fa'il.
Yes. Okay. Just now you were breaking. And then after qalu, what do we say?
Wa jumlah ba'daha maqul qawli.
Yes. So fi mahali what?
Fi mahali nasab.
Yes. Not just makulul qaul, but maf'ul bihi also. Makulul qaul. Okay. Good. Sister Vinita, anu minu.
Anuminu, sister, is harf istifham
Yes.
question.
Yes.
Harf and minu. This is fail mudari.
Yes. What kind?
What do we say?
Marfu, mansub, majazum.
Marfu. Yeah, this is marfu.
What's the sign?
Marfu bid-dam.
Dhamma. Yes.
Dhamma.
What's our
Yeah.
fa'il?
And file is nahnu.
So domir, what kind?
Zamir muttasil.
Muttasil? Where?
No, not muttasil. This is damir because it is in it, right?
Yes. So what's the
So
word?
this is wujubun, like wujubun, right?
Before that, is it munfasil, muttasil, mustatir?
This is not mustatir.
Why not
Is it?
mustatir?
But you can see it, right?
No. You cannot see it, right? You are
Okay.
saying that we see it because we see nun
Nun.
dhamma at the front,
Yeah.
right? But
Yeah.
that's how like we recognize it, but that's not how Iraab recognize it. Iraab
Okay,
says
sister.
that the first letter of the fi'il mudari is the letters of mudari. They don't say
Okay.
this is a fa'il, right? Because otherwise your
Okay.
huwa, huma, and hum all have ya as a fa'il, which they don't. They
Correct.
have a waw, right?
Correct.
They have an alif.
Yeah.
So the one
Correct.
that ends with dhamma is domir mustatir, is hidden.
Mustatir. Okay,
Yes.
sister. Okay,
And
got it.
domir mustatir is the only one that we discuss whether it's wujuban or jawazan.
This is
Exactly.
wujubun. This is wujubun. Wujubun.
Wujuban.
Yeah.
Taqdiruhu.
And taqdiruhu, should we say nahnu?
Yes.
Nahnu.
Okay. When you say something is mustatir, then you have to say whether it's wujuban or jawazan, and then you say what are you implying, because it's hidden, right? So what are you implying? So taqdiruhu nahnu.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So sister, mustatir will be huwa, hiya, antum, right?
Anta.
Anta, and nahnu and ana.
Yes, correct. The one that ends with the dhamma. Marfu bi dhamma.
Okay.
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 One more.
So
Laka.
147, 13, 14, correct?
I don't know the number.
Easy.
147. Yes.
147, 13, 14. That's easy for me. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Laka is jar wa majroor.
And
Mutalik. بالفعل نؤمن.
Yes, good. Brother Zizi, you there?
Yes.
واتبعك.
وعاطفة.
Okay. There's a better wow here. Maybe we translate and then you see. Qalu.
This one والحال.
Yes. Okay, let's translate first.
They said أنؤمن
Anu'minu laka.
أنؤمن لك.
Nu'minu is what?
Believe.
Who believe?
We believe.
Yes,
Should
we
we
believe.
believe? We
Yes.
believe.
Can, correct. So I want to put the normal one first and then make it into a question. Yes, so should we believe? Exactly.
Should we believe?
Laka?
To you.
With you, to you, in you, yes. Or not to you, maybe in you.
In you.
Mm-hmm.
Believe in you, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. While you
Okay, let's do this first. What kind of word after the wow? So the wow is, you said just now already, halia. Yes.
yeah.
So the jumlah after that would be the hal. Then, so what kind of jumlah we have after that? What kind of word is that? Ittaba'aka. What kind of fi'il?
Amar.
Amar?
Madi.
Yes. Madihu?
Madi what?
Yes. Mabni ala?
Mabni ala fath.
Yes. And what's the kaf then?
Kaf is the domain mutasil. Fi mahali nasab.
Yes.
Maf'ul bihi.
Yes. And then what about al-arzalun?
Al-arzalun is maf'ul bihi thani.
What status is it?
Rafa.
Yeah, so why is it Rafa? Yes. You said just now
I
this.
think this one is fa'il.
Yes, exactly. So fa'il.
Sister?
Yes.
Sister, is ittaba'aka is like, is it passive?
No?
Is it family 4, sister?
No. Ta shadda.
Okay.
So what family?
So ta is there in the beginning, right? So taba are the root letters, right, sister?
Yes.
Taba'ain. So ta is in the beginning. So
It's not ta in the beginning. There's a hamzatul wasl before it.
so what family is this, sister?
So what?
Is it family 5?
No, family 5 is tafarroqa, ta in the beginning.
There is.
When you see hamzatul wasl followed by ta shadda.
Yeah, so this is family 4.
No, family 4 is hamzah, normal hamzah aslama. Hamzatul, what family starts with hamzatul wasl? In the madi.
Hamzatul wasl. Family 6. No, but I'm thinking should have double right ta, right?
No, so you're thinking of a wrong family then. What families start with hamzatul wasl in the fi'il madi?
Iktaraba.
Yes, some more.
Iktaraba. In kalaba.
Yes, some more.
Istaghfara.
Yes, so 7, 8, 9, 10 basically. The other one is ihmaro. Is ihmarro. Yes.
Yeah.
So when you see hamzatul wasl right at the start and you know this is fi'il madi, then you should be only thinking of 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
So the next thing you should ask yourself is, what's the marker The fact that you have
Yes.
ta shadda, that tells you that one of the ta is the marker. So the only one that is the marker with ta from 7,
Is
8, 9, 10 is?
iktaraba?
Yes, exactly.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the root
Okay.
letters is taba'a. So it should be ittaba'a. So we have two ta, it get merged anyway.
That's okay. Okay.
When you see ta shadda, and before
Uh-huh.
that is hamzatul wasl, especially for madi, then you should be thinking of family 8. No other family. Right?
Okay, sister.
Even the mudari, yattakhidhu, right? Ta shadda.
Mm.
Even the amr, ittihad, still ta shadda. Okay?
Ah, okay. Okay. So this is fail madi, right, sister?
Yes, correct.
Fail madi. Okay. 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 Correct.
Okay.
Because I was thinking this is Aslama family, and then I thought it's maybe Majhool. Because I didn't realize it's Hamzatul Wasal and not Kata, right? It should be Kata if it is.
Yes, should
Family
be
four,
this
it-
hamza if this
Yes.
this hamza. Family 4 is this hamza.
Ah,
Okay, you need to
Jazakallah.
make sure that you are clear about the difference between hamzatul wasl and
Yes, yes,
hamzatul
yes.
qata. Okay?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yes.
Jazakallah khair.
Okay. So yes, brother Azizi, fa'il is what status?
مرفوع
Mm-hmm.
مرفوع بالواو
Yes.
نيابة
Anil?
عن رفع
What do you expect for rafa? Dhamma, fathah,
مرفوع
kasrah?
نيابة عن الضم
Anil dhamma,
عن
yes.
الضم
Li'annahu?
لأنه جمع مذكر سالم.
Yes, jama' muzakkar salim. So, what is ittaba'aka al-arzalun? So, ittaba'a is what?
follow
Follow. This is your fa'il. Al-arzalun. What's the root letters?
This one?
Sorry?
This Zalam.
Yes. Ra, dal, lam. Oops. Ra, dal, lam. Okay. So, if...
Zalam.
Yes. The low.
Zalam.
The low. Okay. Yang hina lah, basically. Okay. The low. Okay. Yes. So, if you make this singular, what word is this?
Singular.
Yes, this is jamak, right? Yes,
Arzalu.
exactly.
Arzalu.
Yes, so this is your ism tafdil.
Yeah.
Okay, this is your ism tafdil. This is the plural version. It's your superlative. Okay, so while
you follow.
this is the fa'il.
While the most
The lowest.
the lowest follow you.
Yes, the lowest people basically follow you.
Follow
The poor, the the lowest lah, not the noble people. Okay?
Okay.
Like the weaker section, right, sister? The weaker
Yes.
section of the.
Exactly. Okay? Can? Inshallah. Clear?
Sure.
I think we have one more. Yes. Sister Benita, innaha.
Yes, sister. Inna is harf nasr.
Hmm?
Shall I tell all? Harf mansukh,
Up to you.
nasikha, mushabbah bil
Yes.
fi'l.
Nasikh. Yes.
Nasir, mushabbah bil fi'l.
Bil fi'l. Okay.
Yeah.
And
ha is
litawkid.
yes, la tawqid. Yes, also
Litawkid. Yes.
Yeah, litawqid. Yes.
And the ha.
And ha is ismu inna.
So what kind of word is it first?
Ha is zamir muttasil. Fi mahalli nasr.
Yes.
Because this is
Ismu inna.
Ismu inna.
Yes,
Yeah.
good. Brother Azizi, li ahda.
Li ahda, li is harfu jar, ahda is isim tabdil.
Li is
Huh?
Sorry, it's not li ahda, sorry. It's la ihda. Sorry.
Oh, la
It's la
ihda.
ihda.
La iswan lam taukid. La taukid.
Yes. Good. Lam is for taukid. And ihda will be?
Ihda is isim tafdil.
No.
Oh, ihda, no. Wahid.
Yes, from Wahid.
Ihda.
But what is it doing here?
Musanna.
Yes, it's Musanna, but what is it doing here? What's the role? What status is it?
This one will be the khabaru inna.
Yes. Khabar inna, what status?
Marfu bil dhamma.
Can you see the dhamma?
Marfu bil dhamma taqdiruhu
Muqaddara, you mean?
sorry, muqaddara.
With dhamma
Muqaddara.
muqaddara. Ala.
Dhamma muqaddara. Ala alif.
Yes, so in that case will be?
Thiqal.
Alif is?
Ta'zur.
Yes.
Ta'zur.
Yes. Last one, Sister Benita. Al-Kubari.
Al-Kubari is okay. So shall we take it as a mudafil, sister?
Why not? Or why yes?
Because Al-Kubari is in majroor, so it can only be majroor.
Yes, exactly. You don't have half of jar, definitely must
Yes.
be mudaf ilaihi, and this will be the mudaf. So mudaf ilaihi
Yes.
is majrur bil?
Majroor bil kasra.
Yes. And where's our ism tafdil here? Innaha la ihda or al-kubari?
Al-Kubari, sister.
Yes, al-kubari is what form?
This is a feminine form, sister.
Singular, dual or plural?
Al-Kubari is singular.
Why singular? Singular is kubara. This is jamak. Okay? This is jamak.
Okay.
So what will be the translation of this?
Okay.
Innaha, of course, ha is going back to
Yeah.
something. It's talking about the fire.
Yeah. Indeed,
It.
it is one of the biggest.
Yes,
Biggest
correct. Truly, one
of the biggest.
The biggest, and then there's something mahzuf there, which we only can go into when we go into the surah itself. Okay? Okay. Inshallah. Any questions?
This one, musyabaha bil fi'il, what means by that?
Means that this is just a name for half nasab. Okay, half nasab. Nasih means it changed. I think you know that. Musyabaha bil fi'il means it resembles a fi'il. Okay, it resembles a fi'il. Don't worry. I have notes on inna, and we will do that later if I let you see. Hold on.
Inshallah.
So here, right now, we are at Ism Tafdeel, which is 58. Then after that, we do more advanced stuff. All these are advanced stuff that is like singular topics. And then we talk about sentence structures. So hal, shart, question, negation, amazement, munada, oaths. And then after that, we talk about emphasis. Until here. Yes.
Nice.
Then after that, we go back to the basic things that we cannot cover when we were basic students. Now that you are advanced students, we go back to the basics. You see, we talk about musanna, we talk about jamak, we talk about tanwin, we talk about mubtada, khabar. So all this is all things that you have learned basically. Maybe some things might be new like ishtighal, but other things is actually what you have learned, and then we put it together and we learn a bit more about it. And then of course we have half of jar also, and also half of nasab at the end here. Then we'll talk about the other name, this name, inshallah.
Okay, sister. Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
So, sister, have you got any plans to do ghair sahi fi'il in this class or no?
Ghair sarif fi'il? Meaning?
Like Like these ajwaf and nakis and all?
You mean as in sarf?
Nakis. Yes. Are
Sarf
you
already-
planning to do?
We've done it. This is it was
You're
on
done
stage.
it. Okay.
Yes, it was on stage 3 before you join here, right? So you join maybe somewhere
Okay.
here. Yeah. So all this already done that actually.
I'll do it. I'll watch it. Inshallah.
Yes. So you have to catch up on the playlist, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, sister. Okay, sister.
Okay. If no questions, then we end here today, and then we continue the next topic on Tuesday, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair, sister.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you,
Wa
sis.
alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
No problem.
Jazakallah khair.
Wa iyyakum.